Alright, today we're going to be removing a lefty fork. For this, we're going to need a 1.5mm wrench, a 5mm hex wrench, and a Shimano bottom bracket tool. We'll start by removing the brake. To do this, we take our 5mm and remove the two mounting bolts a little bit. You do not need to come all the way out. Point, the brake will come out of the way. Hang it from the bike here. Use the same 5mm to remove our hub from the lefty through axle. Set our wheel aside. Next step is to remove the 1.5mm bolts that attach our brake line from our fork shroud. Applies to both the aluminum lefty fork and the carbon lefty fork. Be careful not to lose the three pieces that come off of here. There are two screws and a cap. The brake can come unclipped from the next mounting bracket. We're going to loosen the bottom bolt that attaches our fork on the bottom part of the crown, and then using our Shimano bottom bracket tool, we're going to remove the bottom part of the steer tube. This will unscrew from the bike. Once we've gotten the bottom portion of our steer tube loose, we'll thread it back in a couple turns into the bike. Make sure it's engaged. And using a rubber mallet in our 5mm, we will loosen the top fixing bolt on our crown, and then strike the bottom with a rubber mallet until the top portion of the fork comes loose. At this point, we will remove the bottom portion of our steer tube. Alright, and then using our rubber mallet, we're going to strike the top of the fork and with a helper. Grab this. We'll remove our handlebars. At this point, our lefty fork is